Today is very hot lah.
Nah.
Oh, thank you. Oh, this is cool. Where does it come from?
I got it from our solar refrigerator.
Solar refrigerator?
So hi everyone, today I'm gonna introduce our project. Our project is based on renewable energy, especially solar energy. In this project, we design and build a small-scale solar-powered systems that demonstrates how sunlight can be converted into useful electrical energy to power a device. This project supports the green energy concept and promotes sustainability by reducing dependence on non-renewable energy source. So now I would like to talk about our objective. Our objective is to demonstrate the conversion of solar energy into electrical energy using a solar panel and design a simple and efficient solar powered system for practically daily application. Besides, we also to promote environmental awareness and encourage the use of renewable energy among students. Lastly, is to understand the basic concepts behind energy conversion and power efficiency. So for our solar refrigerator project, we are using a thing called Pelcher. The Pelcher module is a thermal control module that has both warming and cooling effects. So we added a heatsink on the hot side of the Pelcher because when the temperature of the hot side of the Pelcher can be cooled down, the cool side of the Pelcher will be cooler too.
We are using the polystyrene to fill out the box. This can help reduce the cool outflow. The polystyrene also help to reduce the heat from outside to get inside the box. Then we use the aluminium foil and waterproof sticker stick around the polystyrene to help the temperature inside the box to get cooler.
This mini refrigerator is using a solar panel. This solar panel changes the sunlight to DC voltage, and we connect this solar panel to the solar charger to charge the battery to run it.
We coded an Arduino Nano board to show the temperature level in the refrigerator. We connect a temperature sensor to show the Arduino Nano and coded Arduino Nano to show the reads on LCD display. We also added a relay module to control the on-off refrigerator.
As a conclusion, our solar refrigerator project successfully demonstrates how solar energy can be used as a sustainable power source for cooling application. By using a solar panel to supply energy to the Pelcher cooling system, we are able to convert renewable energy into effective temperature controlling without relying on conventional electricity. This project shows the potential of solar technology in reducing energy costs and promoting eco-friendly solutions for future refrigeration systems. Through this experiment, we learned the importance of energy efficiency, proper installation, and system design in maximizing cooling performance using solar power.
As a review, we have run the refrigerator for 40 minutes and our refrigerator temperature dropped until 17 Celsius. So the thing that we put in the refrigerator dropped around 39 Celsius. So I think that our refrigerator is only suitable for maintaining a cool temperature and not for freezing things. So now I am going to talk about physics concept and its explanation. Our project used solar energy to make cooling. The solar panel change sunlight into electricity. The electricity power the filter module, which make one side cold and the other side hot. The cold side cool the box and the hot side release heat with a fan. This shows how sunlight can be used to make a small refrigerator without using normal electricity.